I'm going to show you how to use two controllers in Parsec. So the first thing you'll need to do is connect the controller devices to the client, not the host PC, the client. And one of the supported controllers could be Xbox X input or the PlayStation DualShock or DualSense controllers. But for generic USB controllers, they might not work properly. And then you want to go to the Parsec settings and then click on the host tab from the top. And then you want to scroll down till you find the controller's settings. In this case, there is the virtual gamepad type, which you can select from the Xbox or the DualShock. And the DualShock will require you to download and install this library here. And for the USB gamepads, they will require mapping. So for example, the Parsec virtual USB gamepads beta, you can download the virtual USB driver by clicking here to set it up, and it might need manual mapping before we start using them. And on the client side, or the client that is connecting to the other remote computer, where the gamepads are connected, you want to go to the gamepad tab, and in here you should see the detected gamepads on the computer. And you can basically do the mapping from here, and if you don't see them, you can click on the restart button, and this should restart Parsec on your client computer. Now from the client computer, you want to go back to the settings, and this time the client tab, and then scroll down and make sure that you're using GPU decoder. If you don't have a good GPU, you can set it to software and turn on the H265, otherwise you can leave it off and set it to NVIDIA or whatever GPU you have. And you should be ready to connect to the other device. And if you're having issues with your controllers not being detected, you can right click on the Windows icon, press run, and then type joy.cpl and press OK. And this should open up the game controllers window. And in here you should see two controllers being detected. And you can basically configure the properties from here and select which preferred device to use for the client. And then you can press OK and try to connect to the remote computer by getting their share URL or basically joining from the friend list. You can also paste the share URL here and press the join button. And if you're having problems such as the both controllers are controlling player 1, you will need to basically disable Steam input if the game is from Steam. You can do that by going to Steam, right click on the game, go to properties, and then go to controller and set this to disable Steam input. And if you're having an issue where the controller is not being detected, make sure that you're using a supported controller type in Parsec. So for example, the host tab, and then scroll down and make sure to select Xbox 360 or DualShock for PlayStation. And if you're having the issue where one controller is working, you will need to basically start the game after you connect to the other remote computer so that it detects both of the controllers. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.